Some diagrams. Alright, first we'll draw a circle, like so. And we are going to use this circle to figure out what the sine of 45 degrees is. So we're going to draw our 45-degree line, and next we're going to draw a line straight down from it where it meets the edge of the circle to the line indicating the radius at 0 degrees. And for reference, you should have completed a triangle if you're following along at all. Now, the way the sine is found here, we have to assume that this circle's radius is 1 for the time being, and then compare the line we drew down from the edge of the circle's point where the line we drew at 45 degrees met it, straight down into the radius, and compare that to the radius itself. And in relation to the radius of the circle, the sine of 45 degrees here is approximately 0.707, whatever unit the circle is in. The sine of 45 degrees is about 0.7071 of the radius's size. So even if the radius is greater than 1, it's still about 70.71% of the radius's length. Is he in my bubble? A little bit of a demonstration of how the Pythagorean theorem can be used within a circle to find out if something is within a radius or not, from one point to another. So we have this cute little guy, and we have this intruder. We don't want this intruder to get into this cute little guy's radius here. But look, he's already in it. But how can we mathematically tell he is? Well, we initially need to find out the difference in the x and the y position of the two to ensure that we can have all the proper measurements to find the hypotenuse of this triangle, which should be less than the radius of the circle to find out if the intruder is within this bubble. And to do this, we can use the Pythagorean theorem, as I just said. Now, let's say the x and the y are 4 and 3. The Pythagorean theorem says that we need to take the square of the x plus the square of the y, and that will give us the square of the hypotenuse. And what is that exactly? If you put it into your calculator, it comes out as 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. So, this intruder is 5 units away from our cute little guy in the middle. And that concludes this diagram thing. Thanks.